We'll guide you through how to log into Twitter, now known as X. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Twitter, now known as X, and you want to go and sign in and log in. We're going to guide you through this because then you can go and use your account, check your messages, go and post, go and check who've posted from people you follow, and more. So first of all, you want to come to x.com in your browser. Then you're going to end up on a page which is like this. You want to come down here to where it says already have an account, and you can then go and press sign in like so. Now what you can do is you can go and use Google or Apple if you've used them before. Otherwise, enter in your phone, email or username that you went and set up when you made your account or used. Now what you can do is I'm going to go and type in mine here. After you've done that, you can go and press forgot password if you've got on it. Otherwise, press next. Then you can go and enter in your password, and you then want to go and press login like so. Go away, and we've now successfully logged in and signed in. And now we can go and start using it.